Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today would be a good day to just do a little day in the life with me off work. I have some errands to run. I'm going to get my oil changed. It's 11:24 and I'm just starting this day in the life, but it is what it is. Alex took the girls to school this morning and then we slept in until just now. So I'm just getting started. And then I'm probably going to try to go to Tjmaxx and Target. And I'm going to go to Tjmaxx first because if I go to Target first, I will never make it at Tjmaxx. I really need some DW home candles. I haven't had any in a while, probably since the fall. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to pick up the girls from school. So let's go.
Good afternoon, thank you for choosing Starbucks. We're getting started for you.
Yes, I just want to get a grande iced vanilla latte, and that's all.
Okay, iced grande vanilla latte. We'll have that for you at the window.
I'm not about to go and sit up in a car dealership for an hour while my oil's getting changed with no coffee. Ain't happening. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys real quick while I'm at a red light. That was the fastest oil change I've ever had in my life. And don't make fun of how I say oil because I'm from the South, so that's what you're going to get. It was only like 38 minutes and they had to replace like a sensor for a recall. So I'm excited. I have about 3 hours to spend shopping at Tjmaxx and Target before I have to go get my girls. Okay, so we have just arrived at Tjmaxx. Can you see it? Oh my god, I look like such a creeper doing that. I just got off the phone with one of my subscribers. She lives in North Carolina, which isn't far from me. Hey SB, if you're watching this, we just got off the phone. And she is in this antique shop that they have up there. And they've got so much farmhouse stuff. It's ridiculous. And it's all super, super cheap. Like half the price of stuff you would get in Hobby Lobby or Target or wherever you want to buy it. So I'm pretty jealous right now, but I'm gonna go in Tjmaxx real quick and see if I can find any DW home candles because they're my favorite, and see what else I can find. Hopefully I don't spend too much money.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun.
Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I've been to Home Goods, Marshalls, and they are not carrying the DW home candles like they used to. They used to have like a wide selection, and now I'm only finding like 3 or 4.
You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
I want to buy everything. They have these little flowers that I really like, and I found a new, I don't even know what it's called. What's the thing that goes in the middle of your table? Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. Please leave it in the comments. But I found a new one of those because I don't like that little candle holder we have. But I want to buy this whole store, and I found this wreath. I really like this wreath, but I have OCD, and I feel like it's missing some flowers on the left side, so I can't buy it. But it's really cute. I'm going to go to Michael's in a minute and see if they have another one. And I found some Rae Dunn, and it's not the long letter kind, but this is what I need. I need balance.
My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone.
Okay, so I made it out of Tjmaxx. I did get a few things. I'll show you guys everything I get today when I get home. But I wanted to get a bad, and I tried to talk myself into it, but I just wasn't loving any of them. I liked a lot of them, but I wasn't loving any of them. And then I finally remembered what the thing is called that goes in the middle of your table. It's centerpiece. So yeah, I got one of those, and I'll show you that too. But I'm gonna head to Target now. I'm gonna skip over Michael's because I like to have a long stroll in Target and look at the entire store. And if I go to Michael's, I won't have time to do that before I have to get the girls. So let's go to Target. Why is this lady walking in the middle of the road? Okay, so I made it out of Target alive, but I spent more money than I should have. But I work so much, I don't have time to spend the money that I make besides on bills. So it's okay for me to go and splurge every once in a while. So I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna give you guys a short haul of what I got. Then I'm gonna go pick up the kids from school. Gotta love when you come home to a package. All right, so I'm home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got minus the Easter basket stuff because I'm gonna do a separate video for that. So let's see what I got. So I already put this right here, but this is what I got from Tjmaxx, the centerpiece. I replaced it with that. I really never liked that. And I think it looks really cute right there. What do you guys think? I thought about putting some burlap, you know, what are those things called, y'all? I'm drawing a blank today. But I didn't know if it would be too much with this burlap right here. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, it's called a runner. So like I said, Tjmaxx didn't have a lot of DW home candles, but I went ahead and got this one. It smells just like sweet pea and it smells so good. Then I got the birthday cake one because I love those kind of scents. And then I just got this little sticky note thing for my desk. And then from Target, I got these leggings right here. You can never have too many black leggings, and just this little comfy shirt that says Coffee Queen on it. I thought it was really cute to wear around the house or to wear out, whatever. From Target, I just got these strawberry fruit strips. Ansley is addicted to these, and she's also addicted to these too. Aubrey likes them too, but Ansley's been begging for me to get some more. And honestly, they're pretty expensive. They're $3.99 for these, but the girls love them so much. I was like, okay, we can get them again, but I went last time and I didn't get any more because I was like, that's too expensive. But they keep talking about them, so they've got the sugar cookie, the yellow cupcake, and the chocolate cupcake. So they're supposed to be good or better for them. And then, yeah, this happened because who doesn't love marshmallows? And then I got this because I like to change up my dish towels for each season or holiday or whatever. And then I needed some more bathroom cleaner. This is my favorite bathroom cleaner. So I went ahead and picked it up. And then I have been smelling this one every time I go to Target or wherever I am that sells this. And I just keep putting it down because I'm like, I don't need any more cleaning products. But I wanted it so bad. So I was just like, I'm just going to go ahead and get it. So y'all, this one smells so good. So the rest of everything that I got is for the girls' Easter, and I'm gonna do a video of what's in my girls' Easter basket. So you guys will see that when that goes up. It'll probably be within the next couple of weeks. It's not gonna be like soon because Aubrey watches my channel, so I don't want her seeing it. It'll probably be more close to Easter, and I'm not even done buying for them. So yeah, and I had to take off my sweater because it got hot in here. Okay, so I am headed to get the girls from school. I'm coming straight home and I'm gonna start dinner because I have not ate at all today. The only thing I've had is that Starbucks drink, so I'm starving. So that's what I'm about to do now. Okay, so I just picked up the girls from school. Did y'all learn any Bible verses or anything today?
I did.
What'd you learn?
I learned John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have an eternal life. John 3:16.
Wow, that's really good, Ansley. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and have some dinner. We're going to make this. I've never made this one before. I hope the girls like it. So it looks like it'll be good though. So I think I'm going to end my day in the life here. I'm just going to go ahead and relax. I've got to get some cleaning done and things like that. I'm currently watching a Lifetime movie, so once that's over, I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm going to try to relax because I never relax. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.